Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use images in HubSpot content. Let's dive right into why this topic is crucial. In today's digital world, images play a vital role in capturing attention and conveying messages more effectively. Whether you're crafting an engaging email campaign, designing a captivating landing page, or setting up automated workflows, the use of images can significantly enhance the impact of your content. But how exactly do you seamlessly integrate these images into HubSpot? That's what we're here to uncover today. First, let's ensure you have your HubSpot account up and running. If you haven't set it up yet, make sure you do so, as it's essential for accessing the features we'll discuss. Once you've logged in, you will find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage various aspects of your marketing campaigns. Here, you'll notice several tabs at the top left corner of your screen: Contacts, Conversations, Marketing, Sales, and more. For adding images, our focus will be on the Marketing tab. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From here, you can choose to add images to different types of content, such as ads, emails, newsletters, landing pages, and even blog posts. Each option allows you to customize and enhance your content with visual elements. For this tutorial, we'll specifically look at how to add images to an email. Start by selecting the email option from the drop-down menu. Here you'll have the chance to create a new email from scratch. Click on Set It Up Yourself, and you can choose the type of email format you want. You might opt for a regular email, which is perfect for sending personalized messages to a specific group of contacts. Alternatively, you could choose an automated workflow email that sends automatically based on triggers you set. Let's proceed with a regular email, as it's the most straightforward. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to choose a template. You can skip the tour if you like and go straight to selecting a template. For our example, let's choose the e-commerce welcome template, which is great for showcasing images within your email. Once inside the email editor, you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your email. Look for the option to add an image and drag this element into your email layout. You can select an image from your HubSpot asset library, which contains all the images you've previously uploaded. If the image you want isn't there yet, you can upload one directly from your computer. Simply click on Upload, choose your desired image, and it will appear in your email. And there you have it. You've successfully incorporated an image into your HubSpot email. This simple step can make a big difference in how your audience engages with your content. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to use images in HubSpot content. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.